Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a custom invite link for your server. First, choose the server that you want to have custom invite link. For example, this one. Just press and hold. And here you can see more options. Click invite. Here you can see edit invite link. You can choose here whether the invite link for 1 day, 12 hours, 6 hours, or anything. And max uses for 1 to 10 or 100. I'll click, for example, 5. Click save. Now copy link again. And to make sure that you're done doing the custom link, try to send it to any contact or copy paste it. For example, so here's the custom link that I did. And that's how you do a custom invite link for your server. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips. Thank you for watching.